Welcome to a quick 6-minute talking eBay. So I want to talk to you a little bit about today, about being motivated. Today's the motivation day. Today's Wednesday. Today's hump day today. So if you're not motivated to get something listed on eBay, it is time to do it. So I'm going to give you a 6-minute chat. I'm going to talk to you about how to get things listed. I want you to get motivated. I want you to look around the house. I want you to start feeling positive about the day, because you know what? Every day can be an awesome day. You can find so many cool things to sell on eBay and so many awesome things. So keep looking, keep trying, and always be positive. As an entrepreneur, and if you listen to my last podcast about being an entrepreneur, a lot of it becoming is self-motivation is the probably the biggest thing you have to overcome. You get down in the dumps, you're not really sure what to do, but be positive, always thinking ahead. Like today, I was always like something new coming up. I sold something online today. It was kind of slow for a while. And if you're selling on eBay, you understand how things go up and down, ebbs and flows of eBay. So this pep talk is to get you motivated. I've been in business for almost 35, 40, over 37 years online and being an entrepreneur. And you know what? You always have some ups and downs, but you always have to keep trying. Never stop. And the positivity is so important. So talk yourself into having a great day. Don't be negative. A lot of people come up with negative things all the time. Oh, what are you selling out online for? Oh, you'll never make any money doing this, never make any money doing that. You know what? If you're doing it and you're enjoying it, that's all that really matters. So just keep doing it. Especially when you're selling online, because you're like by yourself, you're listing, you're taking photos and things like that. So if you don't know who I am, I've been selling on eBay for over 26 years now. So I have a YouTube channel called Talking eBay. So check that out online. Just Google it and just go onto YouTube and just put in type Talking eBay. Subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of content on there to help motivate you, to help give you information, to help educate you. So definitely follow that channel, subscribe to that YouTube channel. And you'll see all kinds of cool stuff I'm going to be doing it in the next 4 months, the next fourth quarter. We're getting into the fourth quarter now. So I'm going to be posting some information, and we're going to give you some bolos. If you don't know what a bolo is, it means to be on the lookout for. So get motivated, get excited. It's the holiday time. A lot of holiday bazaars are going to be starting soon. A lot of things are going to be happening. A lot of yard sales, flea markets. So people want to get rid of their stuff. Go to thrift stores. Get out there. Talk to people. Go on Facebook Marketplace. Go on anywhere. I mean, OfferUp doesn't really matter where you look. Look around, look all around. There's so much stuff. I picked up something the other day. Guy had a sign. I was driving by, said free. It was just sitting there, a whole bunch of stuff. I picked up a timing light. It's not worth a fortune, but $25 for free. Who wouldn't leave $25 on the ground? I wouldn't, and I'm sure you wouldn't either. So there are so many things. Don't be afraid to stop at. You see a bunch of stuff even thrown out in the trash. You'd be surprised how much stuff I get that's trash. People give away things for free all the time. So keep on the lookout, keep motivated, keep positive, because the way to really succeed as an entrepreneur is to think positive. It's so easy to say, oh, I can't do it. Oh, I shouldn't list it. Oh, I can't make any money. Anybody can say that, right? That's the easy way. That's a cop out. Don't do that. All right. I've been a person who, if I don't succeed in one specific thing, I pivot. Pivoting is so important. And if something does not sell, big deal. So what? Throw it away. It doesn't matter. Don't stick with it. If you made a mistake, so what? Big deal. Throw it away. Who cares? You know what? That's how you have to think about stuff, because at the end of the day, you're going to keep going forward. And all of a sudden, you're going to see momentum. You're going to see an acceleration. You're going to see success. You're going to be positive. And that's going to drive you more and more to keep going forward. And that's really what entrepreneurship is, right? It is that motivation, is that drive. And I'm here to give you that pep talk, the 6-minute pep talk. So keep looking around, keep sourcing, take better photos, watch my classes. It's all free. Everything is free. So go on there, learn how to take better photos, get a little photo box, use your phone. You can use your phone for everything. Make a video, take some photos, do some research. You have to have a smartphone today. You really kind of do. So if you don't have a smartphone, you'll be at a disadvantage. So if you don't have one, definitely pick one up. Even if it's a cheap one, doesn't really matter. Just to get online so you can see things, do some education, get some education and learn. And you'd be surprised how fast that can motivate you. So motivation is really all about mindset, right? So if you can talk yourself into something, you can talk yourself out of something just as easily. So don't listen to anybody else. Listen to yourself. Right? So take other people, listen to the people who are successful, who succeed. Listen to motivational tapes. Watch some YouTube videos. Try to figure out a niche, try to figure out what you like, what you want to do, because that's really the easiest way to keep yourself motivated, because you get excited. Yes, you personally listen to this podcast directly. You will get excited when you find something you like. You bought it for a really good price and you sold it for a really good profit. And that's what this is all about. So I only have 6 minutes left on this podcast for this month. So that's what I have. I want just you to benefit from everything I'm saying. So I really appreciate it. So check out the YouTube channel. It's called Talking eBay. Hope you enjoyed this podcast. If you have any questions or comments, go there. I answer all the questions, I answer all the comments, and I'll help you succeed in the next adventure in your life. So don't forget, keep positive, keep going, don't quit, and don't let anybody tell you you can't succeed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Never mind watching. I'll see you at the next podcast.